to just be supportive moving forward so they can grow, expand, and make certain that these shining lights here can be the future of this country.
Having seen her grave and speak to the sisters and the kids, how do you feel?
Incredibly moved. I went this morning and I laid a wreath at her gravesite and had some moments of quiet reflection. And I had conversations with the Mother Superior and all the other nuns that continue to stand up the infrastructure of the convent and the infrastructure of the social services in the community. I made a commitment to them. I made two commitments to them. One, that the U.S. government was paying full and alert attention to the adjudication of the case of the two young men who are being tried for this. We want to make certain that there's justice and resolution for the community. And second, beyond that, I told the sisters that we were all drawing inspiration from their work, from Sister Mary Paul's example, and that her spirit continues to guide us. I know that the people of Cottonwood, Idaho, where she hails from, were quite concerned about the ability to maintain services here. They continue to be connected to the fabric of this community.